We're going to start the sequence by popping the hoop to the front and the back of the hand in a hip hop motion, and then popping the hoop up into a cat eye isolation, into an iso pop to our right, to our left, behind our head, and then folding it. We're going to bring it into isolation, extend it, toss it underneath our left arm, catch with our left hand, extend it to the left, pirouette around our right foot, into a smear. After the smear, we're going to toss it underneath our left arm, catch with our right hand, left hand behind our back, right hand is iso popping it from the left to the right, tossing it to our left hand, making it into a belt, catch with left hand again, into escalator, step through, reverse escalator, catch with right hand into an isolation out of that. You're going to fold the hoop down onto your right knee, pop the hoop off of your right knee, jump through backwards, bring the hoop around your body, and then end it in a smear. If you have any questions about this sequence, feel free to message me. I also have written out notes about hand positionings and more tips and tricks about the sequence that I can send you if that's a better option. Thank you as always to Clouded Circles for providing my hoops. You can also use my discount code LUNABEL at checkout for some money off of your purchases. I hope you guys enjoyed the sequence, and I hope you're having a good time. Alright, happy hooping! Woohoo!